Oh, guwapo mga mata. Ah! Napakayang bayo. Tayo. Ito na.
Alam mo na
lahi.
mata.
Oh, lahi. Lahi yun, Day. Oh, lahi yun.
Ang
Mapil na yun. Ay, Battersea. I'm at Battersea. Nasa tanan, Battersea. We are at Battersea. Welcome to Battersea Power Station. Nasa the left, right to? Battersea.
cute ang yung restaurant.
Battersea.
Di na ako usually gagawas sa station.
Alangan
Kaya
ako.
ang bata sa sikat tayo. Ayun na. Bayad kang 13 mo.
Aya, Battersea katong sa tato. Us. Oh, Kane, do you know what bridge is this? And what bridge is that? In Battersea. Battersea Park. I am already here at Battersea Park. Pero I cannot find the Sakura. Dai, where's the Sakura, Dai?
Rerouting. Walk east on Carriage Drive North.
There's no Sakura. Going and then to the left. Diba, Dai? Yes!
Ah,
Dito na Sakura. Pag mag-add ka sa Sakura, you'll go to the cherry blossoms in Battersea Park. You're from the main gate, you have to go straight and to the left. So this is quite massive. The area is quite big. So when we came inside, we don't know where to go. Pagoda. Oh. May pagoda siya, guys. Tapos may mga monk lagi doon. Oh. There are monks there. Nagul pa yung tang yun ang mga lashes ani ni ulan. They turn left daw. May marathon oh. There's a marathon here. Saan marathon? Wala daw Battersea na ano. Sakura ulit na lang mi. Next week pa may tinanong kami. Wala pa daw. Wala daw. Palpakish. So ulit na lang mi.
Big fail.
Gawas na lang ta. Bayo. Where are we going here? No, in the like that, no? Wala, may sakura dito sa Battersea. So, maay na lang, paningyawat na lang may ani. We will make use of the cherry blossoms here because there's no cherry blossoms in Battersea. So, it's here. That one, so nice. This one. No other. This is the sakura. Dito na lang. And then there's a fountain there. This one, sakura as well, or cherry blossoms. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Very nice. Very long fountain. Look at that. Fountain kaayo, guys. Oh, nice for pa picture.